Good day everyone. To find area using integration, you have learned the basic formula, how to identify the given equations, whether it is a parabola, whether it is a line or circle, all those things. And we have done two simple sums, how to find the area. Now let us go to the first model, that is area bounded between the parabola and a line. In that actually there are two different models I can say. We will see the first one in this video. Now you want to find the area bounded between the parabola x squared is equal to 4y and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. In any area sum, the important steps I will tell you. First, you should identify the figure given. You should describe that. That is, if it is a parabola, you have to say what is the vertex, what is axis of symmetry, and in which direction it opens. If it is a circle, you have to say what is the center and what is the radius. If it is a straight line, you have to say whether it is just a straight line or a straight line passing through the origin, or is it parallel to x-axis or y-axis. Like this, you have to first describe each equation. Okay. Step number 2 is you should find the point of intersection if any two things, either a parabola and a line or a circle and a line or whatever is given, find the point of intersection. Here I will say the exception in ellipse and line when we come to that model. Then the third one is sketching the figure. You should sketch the figure. Then you should shade what is the area required to be found. That you have to find. That is important. Then we will see how to take the limits and then whether we have to add the area, whether we have to subtract, from what to subtract what, etc. Then it is just a calculation and we will do. Okay. So now for this sum, first we have to describe the figure. That's what I told you. So now this x squared is equal to 4y. I will write 1. This represents a parabola, right? This represents a parabola. Okay. Now I want to write the vertex. Now you will have only standard parabolas to start with. So now because it is a standard parabola, you know the vertex is 0, 0. Now it is x squared is equal to some y. So you know the axis of symmetry is y-axis, right? If it is y squared is equal to, then you know the axis of symmetry will be x-axis. This is second point. Point number 3, how it opens. This is opening upwards. Okay. So these are the 3 points you have to write if it is a parabola. Let us come to the straight line. X is equal to 4y minus 2. Mark it as 2. Now you know there is an x term, y term and a constant term. So this represents a straight line. That's what we know. So we will write this represents a straight line, right? So the first step is over. What is the next step I told you? Find the point of intersection. Otherwise you cannot sketch the figure. So now the next thing I am going to do is I am going to find out the point of intersection. That is the normal solving, the algebra solving only. We can do in any way we like. I am going to take equation 2. From that I can write 4y is equal to x plus 2. That is from 2 I am getting it, right? Now substitute in 1. So I will have x squared is equal to, for 4y I can write x plus 2. Bring everything to the same side. I will get x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. You can factorize it. That you will get x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0, which gives you x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. Fine. Now to find y. Now this is a quadratic in x and this is a linear. So whenever you have a linear, substitute always in the linear, that is a straight line equation, to find the value of the other variable. So now x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, 4y will be 2 plus 2, 4. So your y will be 1. If you put x is equal to minus 1, 4y will be 2 minus 1, 1. So your y will be 1 by 4. So now you get 2 comma 1 and minus 1 comma 1 by 4 are the points of intersection, right? So now you should be clear about the two steps we have done. First step is the description. The second one is to find the point of intersection. Are you clear about up to that? Now we are going to sketch the figure. Now listen. Now 2 comma 1 and minus 1 comma 1 by 4 are the points of intersection. Now I have sketched the figure. Always you draw the x-axis, y-axis, mark the origin, right? Now the parabola, you know, it is opening upwards. No need of taking any points. You can just draw a free curve, a parabola opening upwards. Then write that equation x squared is equal to 4y. Then you approximately take some 1 here, so that here will be 1 by 4. So you mark the point 2 comma 1, that is A, and minus 1 comma 1 by 4, that is B. Join them. So that's the line. So now what I have shaded, that is the area you require. You have to find the area bounded by the parabola and the straight line, right? Now for finding any area, you know, you need an axis, either x-axis or y-axis. You need either ordinate or abscissa, then the given curve. Otherwise, you cannot find any area. So now, I have drawn an ordinate from B. I have drawn an ordinate from A. So that is C and D. I have marked the coordinates. Now just look at the figure. First, you should understand how you will get this area. Just see the figure. You forget about integration. Now see, if from this trapezium ABCD, if from that area, if I subtract this portion, right, this portion and this portion area, that is on the two sides, I will get the area I require, that is the shaded portion, that area I will get, correct? That you can see from the figure itself. Now, if you see the area bounded by the straight line AB, the ordinates AD and BC, that is I can just thicken it, this one and the x-axis, you can very well see that covers the area of the trapezium, correct? From that, I have to subtract these two area, the side, that is actually the area bounded by this parabola, okay? This ordinate and x-axis, you will get these two. So, from the area bounded by the line, if you subtract the area bounded by the parabola within the same limits, you will be getting the area of the shaded portion. Is it clear? So now, you know the area formula is integral a to b y dx. But if there are two things, you know it is integral a to b y1 minus y2 dx. All these things you have studied already. So now I can write the area required, that is the area of the shaded portion. That will be, I can write minus 1 to 2, that is the limit, correct? Minus 1 to 2. It is area bounded by the line, that I can write y of line, okay? Minus y of parabola, that is actually I mean area bounded by the line minus area bounded by the parabola dx. That gives me the area of the shaded portion. So now I will get minus 1 to 2. The line as well as the parabola, I should get y is equal to something. So the line equation is x is equal to 4y minus 2 or 4y is equal to x plus 2. So y is equal to 1 by 4 into x plus 2, correct? As far as the parabola, it is x squared is 4y. So y is x squared by 4. So we have got both the line as well as the parabola y in terms of x and the constant. So now here, instead of y of line, I will write 1 by 4 x plus 2 minus. For the parabola part, I have x squared by 4. Put a bracket, then dx. Okay? So here after it is very simple. The integration part will be very simple in area sums. So now the 1 by 4 I will take out. Integral minus 1 to 2 x plus 2 minus x squared dx. So I will take the 1 by 4 out. I will get x squared by 2 plus 2x minus x cube by 3 within the limits minus 1 to 2. Right? Now, for substituting, there are two ways. You can substitute for all the three terms the upper limit, then minus lower limit for all the three terms. That is one way of doing. Another way is, for each term here, you can do upper minus lower. I prefer the second way. So now I will write 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. I will get a 1 by 2 out. I will get x squared within the limit minus 1 to 2 plus 1 by 4 into 2. So I will get 1 by 2 x within the limit this one. Okay. Here I will get minus 1 by 12. Then x cube within the limit minus 1 to 2. That's all. I have got three simple terms. So here I will get 1 by 8. You know the upper limit is 2 squared is 4. Okay. Minus 1 the whole squared will be plus 1. So you will get 4 minus 1 3 plus 1 by 2 into 2 minus of minus 1. So I will get 3. Okay. Then here minus 1 by 12. X cube, 2 cube is 8. Then minus of minus 1. So I will get 9. So now this 9 by 12 I can write as 3 by 4. You can take 8 as the LCM. So you will get here 3. Here you will get 12. Okay. Here you will get minus 9. So you will get, minus 6. So here you will get 15 minus 6. So 9. 9 by 8 square units. So this is the area. Hope you follow this sum. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt in this sum or any other specific sum you want me to explain, please write it in the comment section. In the next video we will see example 2, that is same parabola and line, but how that is going to differ, that we will see in the next video. Thank you.